Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks, and today I was making or going to mount tomorrow a cross on this piece of driftwood that's 28 inches long. And I didn't want it to stick off the wall, so instead of doing a normal frame holder that I've showed you how to draw in the past, I engraved really deep a square box with the nails. So if you had a nail and you wanted to put it up inside here, it'll have a recess. This is about 1/4 of an inch deep. And I also think I'll maybe make another video on how I made that and how I did that under CorelDRAW tips and tricks. But it's a pretty neat. This would be ultra strong. This is plywood. It'll stick off the wall just 1/8 of an inch. And this is pretty heavy. If it wasn't, or this is really light. This driftwood is, I bet it doesn't weigh 1/2 pound. But I'm going to put a metal cross on it tomorrow, and I didn't want it to stick off the wall. So stay tuned how I kind of designed this, which I've designed before, but also how to maybe make this engraved part. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.